Today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage permission profiles in Docusign Esignature. Understanding how these profiles work is important because they control exactly what each user in your organization can access and do. When managed properly, permission profiles help ensure that every team member has the right level of access, keeping your workflows secure and efficient. So let's dive in. Start by heading over to the Docusign website. Docusign is widely known as a leader in electronic signatures and agreement management. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button located at the upper right corner of the page, then sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll land on the Docusign home dashboard. This is your main control center for sending documents, reviewing statuses, managing templates, and handling admin tasks. From here, look for the admin option in the menu. This is where all administrative settings are stored, including user management and permission controls. Once you're in the admin dashboard, locate the section called Permission Profiles. This is one of the most important areas for maintaining security and structure within your Docusign account. Click on Permission Profiles to open it. Inside this section, you'll see a list of all existing profiles. Each profile is essentially a set of rules and permissions assigned to the users in your organization. For example, a sales team member may need permission to send and track documents, while an admin or manager might need additional access to manage users, change account settings, or generate reports. You can create new permission profiles, edit existing ones, or delete profiles that your organization no longer needs. Whenever you edit or create a profile, make sure you're giving users only the access they truly require. Balancing accessibility with security is key. Granting unnecessary permissions can expose sensitive information or allow accidental changes, while giving too little access can slow down workflows. It's also a good idea to review your permission profiles regularly, especially when your team structure changes or when new roles are created. Keeping these profiles up to date ensures your Docusign account stays secure and your users always have the correct level of control. And that's it. Managing permission profiles in Docusign Esignature is simple once you know where to find the settings and how they work. Keep this guide handy for the next time you need to update user access, and you'll keep your organization's document workflow smooth, secure, and well organized. Thanks for watching and happy signing.